And you slide. This is how we slide into conversations in our office. Slide in, slide out.
रोजेदार के साथ इतना जुल्म.
So much. I can't do this.
Yes. मेरा बटन निकल गया. अब तो बस मौका चाहिए. सही है. सुबह सुबह से ही लड़ाई शुरू की है हमने.
अभी खाना खा के आया मैं.
क्या हो क्या रहा है?
You. Welcome to vlog number 1,562. What are we doing? We are finally shooting our Cornetto vibe check. This vlog is about the BTS of that.
It was a talk show about love, and we wanted some retro feels in it, so we went for something which had perfect balance of both the elements. From designing to the execution, everything was done by us, and the set took 5 days to be built. पहले तो प्यार हुआ तब मुझे अरे ये कहाँ से आवाज है? And yep, this is the way to check if your furniture is solid. Take notes.
Yellow love को रेड करके उसको येलो कर दो. हाँ सही.
Blue हो गया. Our lighting is pretty much sorted.
Check this out. There's one lone बेचारी Cornetto. उसने क्या किया है? गिर गई थी. The day of the shoot. I don't know why Sony has not sponsored us yet because we're kind of missing out. Because there is Sony 1, Sony 2, Sony 3, Sony 4, and if you could tell, there's a Sony in my hand, so that's Sony 5. So Sony, where you at, bro? Like, come on. Up to it's embarrassing. Set is ready. Cameras are pretty much set. Look at that, the director monitor. I think we nailed our set reference. I'm very proud of us. We went through a lot of hiccups to get to this one. Not a lot, but quite a few, especially this wall. It came out good. Woo! बड़े सही है. यहाँ बैठे हैं हमारे ऑफिस में अली गुल. हमारा पहला एपिसोड शूट हो गया है. Feels good. We're so happy that you were the first, episode for us because he's so easy to talk to. The episode flew very well.
And I always bring my own banana
अब banana
to shoot.
He's like यार बहुत आइसक्रीम खिला देते हैं ये लोग. थोड़ा healthy भी बनना है. So Ali is done. We're now gonna shoot his teasers. Switch the light over. How was that sound? Was good?
It's good.
Yeah.
Very clear.
So every shoot was divided into two parts. First we had to sit down and do the talking bit, and then we had to change the entire furniture setting and do hyperlapses, which actually were our teasers, which you can see right now.
गुरु ने कहा भाई आप कौन से ऑप्शंस अब तो
पूरी बोलो की दुकान है यहाँ पे. The crossed barrel. I don't know what this is.
Dude,
but
I love
like
it.
a good,
ये मेरी बीवी की बदौलत.
Okay, so she's got no.
I think.
Guru's put it all on her because
red
we
you
all
think?
know.
Right, red.
Yeah, I think red look good.
Yeah.
Very.
कलर पैलेट का बीवी को समझ नहीं यार. अब
हाँ, बहुत यही है हमारी कलर पैलेट, यही है.
यही है.
अब हो चुकी है भाई. हम इतने फास्ट हैं कि हमने हाफ टाइम में कर लिया है. लिटरली जिस टाइम में एक एपिसोड शूट होना था उस टाइम में हमने दो एपिसोड शूट कर लिए भाई.
Abdul, what's up?
Nothing is up. Second day of shoot. Getting ready. Dealing with the client. Not an easy task. बस लगे हुए हैं. एक्टिंग भी खुद करनी है, टैलेंट भी हमें, कोऑर्डिनेशन भी हमें करनी है, क्लाइंट को भी खुश रखना है.
सारी जिम्मेदारी आपके नाजुक कंधों पे है.
बेचारी मैं. So much work for me. But yeah, this is the reality of content creation. You have to do everything. You're the director, you're the producer, you're the talent, everything. So yeah.
That's who we have. Hello.
Hi.
Momina in the house.
इतनी excitement होती है. I'm never that excited, but I'm also excited.
Yes. The energy is through her. We did the.
खत्म हो गई.
Yes, we did the show. We did some embarrassing stories.
So many embarrassing stories.
Not that embarrassing. इतना नहीं.
I mean,
points. You have earned the new Cornetto.
Yay!
I think it was
थोड़ा
okay.
बहुत,
अच्छा
थोड़ा,
अच्छा.
but it's okay.
थोड़ा
We had fun with it.
mini embarrassing.
Yes,
embarrassing.
mini embarrassing, but
But it was super fun having you over here.
it's fun because this is the first time like we met her,
Yeah.
Yes, true.
and you know we started talking about embarrassing stories right at the bat.
जो बात है.
हाँ.
It's
Good way to meet someone for the
Yeah.
first time. यार मैंने बड़े दिल टूटे.
We were
मेरे.
little, I'll be honest, we were a little nervous because we're like, यार उसको पहली बार हम मिल रहे हैं
और पहली बार में
प्यार
ये
की
बातें
बातें,
करनी है.
But no, it's not like मुझे वो feeling नहीं आ रही कि हम पहली बार मिले
I'm
because
so
I
glad.
see them like every day on social media.
Yeah,
So
same.
like,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
always when you consume other people's content, I
It's
think,
like-
and she's so good about like communicating her thoughts, so you feel like, हाँ, you're there with her. So we were like, नहीं Momo, I'll pull through, she's chilling, हो जाएगा.
Yeah, she's a cool
Yeah,
gal.
Yeah, we got
We'll have
this.
fun. It
So-
was actually fun.
हाँ, असल में मजा आया.
ये आपके लिए 3 बात है.
मैं बस मुझे ये मिली है
बस मिल गए.
के दौरान
देख ले भाई हमारे गेस्ट आए हुए हैं और
Cameraman बना
पतंगी को कटा दिया है, अपनी फोटो शूट कर रहे हैं.
ये आप मुझे इंडोर कर देंगे यार मैं मोटा लग रहा हूँ यार
अब यार
एक सेकंड अभी खाना खा के आया मैं
क्या हो क्या रहा है ये?
थोड़ा सीधा थोड़ा सा
बस भाई क्या हम बेचारे साइड लाइन हुए हुए लोग हैं.
Oh.
ब्यूटी शॉट्स ऑफ द फ्रंट. ओए खुल गया वो.
Aw.
रोजेदार के साथ इतना जुल्म.
यार क्या
I'm
करें?
fasting and he's tying me to a camera and making me smile
सब देख ले, सब
continuously.
कितना जुल्म होता है यहाँ पे. सब देखे.
बेचारी उसको कोई आके बचा ले. कब से रो रही है.
So much. I can't do this.
Yes, Maria is like, क्या इतनी मेहनत क्यों कर रहे हो आप लोग? Maria, हाँ. How was your experience?
Very nice.
Very nice. How much?
Excited.
Alexa.
Best shoot ever, honestly.
Oh wow.
Oh, oh.
I got to eat ice cream. Sorry, I
We
got to
didn't
eat
know that.
cornetto.
Yeah, you can't say ice cream. It's
I got to
Cornetto.
eat a frozen snack.
This is when our
I got
client.
to
This is going
bang.
after. This is going after, so the client doesn't have to
Yeah,
see
this
this.
is after. We can
You
say
know, हमारे
whatever
लिए
we
हाँ
wanna say.
हाँ.
Yeah. Lots of fun.
Not
Yeah.
इतना भी नहीं लेकिन
थोड़ा
Yeah,
बहुत.
थोड़ा बहुत.
But
Yeah.
yeah, we had an exciting day with Maria. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Literally, we wrapped everything up in like 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
She was so smooth. She
Good.
was,
Yeah. Got some nice stories. Yeah.
Thanks
Yeah.
for having me.
It was nice. It was the
Thanks
first
for
time
coming.
we finally hosted Maria and we
Yes.
met her. And then the first thing we spoke about was love.
Yeah.
And rejection.
Exactly.
That's a good icebreaker,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
I feel like we
Do
know
you
each
want a
other.
cornetto? Are you going
Cringe. Bye. Give me that cringe meter.
Stop it, stop.
Just stop.
Just stop.
Just stop.
Just you
stop.
stop it.
You stop it right now.
Glasses आके glasses ऊपर और ऊपर देखो आके.
के लिए बनाया था सेट. अब 4 हो गए हैं हमारे.
हाँ.
वो भी आखिरी एपिसोड है.
4 भी लोग हमें पता चला कि 2 दिन पहले. Not even 2 दिन पहले, like 1 दिन पहले. So we couldn't change anything.
Wow.
Everything was already done. पतंगी ऑफिस में कौन आया है? आपको तो हम रोज देखते हैं. आप जाए, आपको रोज देखते हैं. ये आज ही है.
इस ऑफिस में आके ना हमारी एनर्जी भी
हाँ.
अब तूने मुझे तो कटा
नहीं नहीं अब क्या आ जाओ वापस आ जाओ वापस आ जाओ. Yeah, so these are our final guests for the Cornetto podcast जो हम कर रहे हैं.
बहुत
They
मजा
have
आया.
come all the way from Islamabad.
बहुत मजा आया है, बहुत फन किया है और
Our favorite couple. I just want to put it out.
Yeah,
Our
everyone.
favorite couple. Our favorite couple.
Our favorite couple. Our favorite couple. But thank you guys, बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you guys for having
बहुत मजा आया,
us. बहुत
honestly.
details मिली हैं.
Our energies are up there. Our questions are also up there. अभी पता चलेगा जब कैमरा कट होगा.
Oh. चले भाई,
और,
हमारा सेटिंग हो रही है यहाँ पे.
हो गई.
हो गई है. Cool. Fahad needs new clothes.
I just want to
Yes,
say
yes.
you were wearing this exact shirt in the last video we put on our feed. So whatever.
मतलब he was wearing the exact outfit, shirt तो छोड़ो, outfit in the previous podcast. भाई पिछले podcast में भी यही कपड़े पहने थे आपने.
ये वाली पैंट्स नहीं पहनी.
यही पहनी थी, नीली पहनी थी, बता दो नकीबन वाले में.
But I was wearing a sweater on.
गलत
पैंट्स हो गया. अगर मेरी गलत पैंट्स हुई तो तुम सब मुझे
ब्लू है ना भाई, ब्लू
नहीं, नहीं, dark blue. Dark blue.
सिमिलर शेड ऑफ ब्लू. हाँ बताओ ब्लू इज ब्लू बेटा, ब्लू इज ब्लू.
यार मुझे मेरी इज्जत बचा देते, जाके आज लेकर आ जाते शर्ट.
ब्रो मैं तो गया था,
ये तो
आपने बुलाया
अब्दुल
वापस.
ने वापस बुलाया, इसकी गलती है
कपड़े
भाई.
ला लेने,
इतनी
बुला
बैड
लेने.
सीन हो गया. आर्ट डायरेक्टर कह रहा है ब्लू इज ब्लू.
आज तलहा होगा.
क्यों?
ये तलहा नई कमीज आ गई. We finally have a new shirt.
इतनी मेहनत से सेट बनाया
इतना
और
सा अब्दुल का मुंह नजर आ रहा होगा.
मिनटो. हाँ एक्चुअली आई फॉरगॉट कि ये वो तो वाला लेंस है.
बड़ी लेंस लगाई हुई है. जितनी मेहनत से ये लगता है ना, उतनी जल्दी ये शर्ट उतरता भी है. Oh wow! I don't know if the camera caught that burp. Yeah, that's
That's what you call
That's
a
literally-
rap burp.
a rap burp. I like it.
A rap burp.
A rap burp.
I burp when I wrap the shoot.
Alright, that was 3 days of the toughest shoot of our lives.
Was it?
It wasn't the toughest shoot, but it was the longest shoot of our life, है ना?
Longest, and also that involved the most amount of people because we were hosting 7 different content creators.
Yeah.
तो उन सब के साथ coordination, management, उनके सारे MOUs, agreements बनवाना, getting them on board.
Then making the set in time, making sure the lighting looks good.
And the set started getting made like 5 days before the shoot. तो वो
अब तो की आवाज
5
अभी से जा रही है.
Yeah, 5 दिन plus 3 days of shoot to like 8 days of madness, complete madness.
And I think I would do it again. It was amazing. It was an amazing
Yeah, I
thing.
think like this is the point where we wanted to come to eventually. To be
Yeah.
honest, like when we started Patangir, we knew this is what we would be doing in the future. We started with travel. We just started with one page, just me and Fahad.
But we always knew that it had to be more than just
Me and Fahad.
yeah.
You know, like we knew
Yeah.
we were gonna have
and
a
our team is expanding, and we feel so
Yeah.
proud of seeing Taha and Zara and
and
Talha.
Tala grow so much.
Yeah.
And these are our in-house permanent team, but there's also another team which is that we work with on a freelance basis. You know, so like Salim, he does all our lighting and
Yeah.
gaffing, and he's amazing to work with. And there's also like Sean and Carol, which have made a lot of appearances in our vlogs
Yes.
before. So
So-
they're part of our extended team, which we rely on when we have like big projects, and we hire them on project basis. But I
So,
think
yeah, it's
really,
been, yeah. So it's been pretty amazing seeing our team grow, seeing
Yeah.
the people who are working with us grow, because that's essentially what we Patangir means, like
Yeah.
surrounding us with creative people.
yeah.
And I know it feels good for ourselves as well. We feel motivated because we imagined it, but we never believed that it would happen so soon for us.
Hmm.
We're hiring art directors, we're doing production work. So
Yeah.
I think I'm also very proud of us.
Yeah, I am. Like, this is the point where we had been working for the last, I think, almost 3 years.
3 years. So it was not
And-
like, oh, bus हमने travel शुरू किया, नहीं हमारा aim था.
Yeah, like we had a vision in our head, and we're happy to see that vision coming to life
And now
bit
we
by bit.
hope that the edit comes as smoothly as the shoot was.
Inshallah. Wish us luck.
ये तभी निकल रहा होगा, तो देखते हैं. Okay, bye.